you know, because your odds of hitting are just insane. All right, guys, we've got the first bat of the day. Let's go. We got unwraps going on, man. Let's get some paint today. Dude, we've hit painted bats the past couple weeks, which has been awesome. I mean, who doesn't love seeing that stuff, right? Okay, here we go. We're starting off. We've got game model Louisville Slugger Powerized Cam Smith for the Astros. Oh man, this is okay. We got a battle today, guys. Astros already out off the gate, dude. Mariners got to pull through, man. I'm already pulling Astros today, dude. Oh my gosh, let's go. We got the Astros. That is going to Gremlin Collectibles. He's taking a game model Powerized Louisville Slugger Cam Smith. Nice one, bro. All right, this is the auction jersey, guys. We get the next one in there. This is jersey number 15. Good luck, everybody. We got Tigers. Tigers. It's going to be Max Clark, dude, on the Tigers. Great jersey right there. Going to be an absolute stud for Detroit. Nice one. That is going to Kyle. Kyle starting us off with the jersey. Kyle Collier's got the Max Clark, dude. All right, man, here we go, guys. We've got, this is auction. This is jersey number 2, by the way, guys. Well, it's number 36, but the second one. We got the Cruise Missile. O'Neal Cruz on the black and yellow. MLB debut inscription. Big old Pirates logo on the front there, dude. That's a great jersey. That one is going to the Pirates, and that is going to Hershey. Congrats, man. First one of the day for you. Locking down some Pirates, man. It is Ultra time. Let's go. We've got the Ultra Bat, number 55. Let's go. Here we go. Oh, we got some orange. You gotta be kidding me. 2022 World Series winning 3-run home run inscription, Yordan Alvarez. On the orange and blue, dude. That's actually a pretty sick bat, dude. Astros. What am I saying Angels for? Yordan. Eric, congrats, man. You got yourself a Yordan Alvarez, dude. You don't see that inscription too much, man. World Series winning 3-run home run game, dude. That's legit, man. Jersey number 9. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We got the King Felix, dude. There we go. There we go. Bringing the balance. King Felix on the rookie year jersey, man. Cooperstown collection. That is going to Shocks. Congrats, man. You got a King Felix, dude. I love that jersey. Patch on the arm there. Been hitting some great names on those, that's for sure. We got a full case of the unwraps, man. The last case I got. Here we go. It is number 34, the American League, going to the Big Mac, and then actually going to Brian. Good luck, gentlemen. Let's make it happen here, huh? On the classic white, it is Taj Bradley, American League Twins. That is going to the Big Mac. That is going to Frank. Congrats, sir. Frank taking the Twins on the American League. Brian, appreciate you closing it down, bro. All right, guys, we're ripping classic card. Here we go, number 13. Good luck, guys. A slab, yes we do. We got a Mint 9, 23 Bowman. Oh, cracked ice. Bowman Chrome first auto, Zach Neto, dude, for the Angels. That's AL West. That is going to Arthur. Great card, sir. Numbered to 100. Dude, that's a great card, man. Congrats. A couple other guys are going to be there as well. So there's going to be a few people at that game. So bunch of us. I don't have time to meet up afterwards, but because I got the girls with me. But it's going to be a fun time. Jersey 59, guys. Here we go. On the jersey auction. Good luck, everybody. Dude, first time pulling this one on the, for me anyways, on the Mets. Freddie Peralta's Mets jersey, dude. Let's go. On the Nike edition. Dude, that's a great jersey right there, dude. The Mets. That is going to T. White. Congrats, man. Great Peralta. Did you guys get any top inception today? Here we go. Number 7 on the trio jersey, guys. Good luck. Jacob Wilson or Vegas, whatever you want to say. There's not the A's anymore. We got Jacob Wilson for the A's, dude, on the Nike, man. Let's go. That's a great jersey right there, dude. Let's go. Clean sig, too. Jacob Wilson, and that is going to be Ace. Wawas, congrats, man. You got yourself a Jacob Wilson, dude. Wawas taken. Nice jersey, dude. Okay, here we go. We got number 33 on the auction jersey, guys. Good luck. Here we go. Smith with the MLB debut on the jersey. 327.25. Nike Astros. And that is going to Weston. Congrats, man. Taking the Astros, dude. Astros have been like one of the most popular teams. I keep hitting them. Those are our bats. Our bats are chilling there. Baseball 22. We got it wrapped up here. Pretty dang good too, man. All right. Classic white. Little Stephen Kwan on the Guardians. That is going to the ALC, and that's going to Texas Rays. Taking a Stephen Kwan on the Guardians on the next baseball, dude. Let's go. These baseballs can be pretty hot too, man. Let's go. Number 7. Here we go. Good luck, everybody, on the baseball. Oh, dude, let's go. Rafael Palmeiro, dude. That's a great auto, dude. Rafael Palmeiro, longest tenure. Was he Rangers? Rangers longest tenure, I'm pretty sure. Rafael Palmeiro. I'm pretty sure he was. Oh, yeah. Texas, a little bit of Baltimore, but mostly all Texas. That's an AL West. K Breezy, congrats. Hopefully, I can get you something big, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, here we go. Baseball number 25. This is the auction ball, guys. Good luck, everyone. We got classic white. And we got Luis Pena, dude. Nice one for the Brew Crew. And other stud up and coming, man, right behind Made. Pena going to Jay Smooth. Congrats, man. Great baseball. All right, guys, here we go. Under wraps on the bats. Here we go. This is the the trio / quad. Bam, here we go. Good luck, guys. Gonna be, dude, nice matte finish, dude. Game model Marucci, Brandon Nimmo. I'm pretty sure he's Rangers on the the Fanatics checklist, right? Nimmo, Rangers. Double check me. That's got to be going to Texas Rangers. I'm pretty positive 100% it is going to be that, right? Rangers, yes, thank you. Nimmo on the Rangers. It is going to Texas. Congrats, brother. He's like, I've been needing some, man. Let's go. All right, guys, here we go. Baseball number 30. Good luck, everybody. Ooh, 2017 All-Star Game in Miami. Chris Bryant. Dude, that's a sick baseball right there, dude. That is a Cubs baseball because he was a Cub in 2017, bro. That is freaking sick. That is going to Demented. Dude, that is sick. That is a 27 All-Star Game. All right, guys, we're up in auction baseball number 49. Here we go. We got Rangers with the funniest autograph ever, dude. A Sebastian Walcott for the Rangers. Guy does not have cursive down. He's one of those guys you can't, but he's a top 5 pick right now. He's actually big right now. Rangers, Jay Smooth. All right, guys, here we go. Classic baseball. Let's go. Good luck, guys. This is auction. We're going to run it back. We're going to run it back. Oh, no, it's not. Dalton rushing for the Dodgers. Dude, let's go. K Breezy taking the Dalton rushing. Let's go. All right, let's go. Good luck, everybody. Classic white. Oh, that's a good name, though, dude. Xander Bogaerts for the Padres, dude. That's a great ball right there. No effing way taking the Padres. He's got the Xander Bogaerts, dude. Congrats. Okay, it's ultra time, guys. Bat 33. Let's go. Good luck, everybody. Oh, dude. 1 of 100. Dodgers! Will Smith World Series bat! Dude, let's go! I'll bring that close. That is sick! That is going to K Breezy! Congrats! Oh my gosh, dude! Check this bat. Here we go. Number 93, guys. Good luck. We've got Topps Chrome, Black Chrome. On the gold, David Wright, dude. The captain, man. Mets. Dude, that's a big card. SB. Taking the David Wright. Dude, that's a straight up gold, man. Let's go. Some paint. See what happens here. Good luck, guys. On the under wraps bat. Black bat pro. Dude, let's go. Beast right there. Manny Ramirez, dude, for the Red Sox. Great bat right there. Manny being Manny. Red Sox going to K Breezy. With another hit, a Manny Ramirez bat. That's freaking sick. All right, guys, here we go. On the ball, we got ball auction. Let's get it. Good luck, everybody. Some color. Oh, dude! Willie Mays! Willie Mays on the baseball! Dude, let's freaking go! That's J-Bolt! Brother! You got a Willie Mays ball, dude! I'll bring this thing close, baby! Oh, let's go! All right, here we go. We got number 32. Good luck. The Big Mac has got the American League, the National League. Kent Miller, guys. Wish these guys some luck. Let's keep the fire going tonight, dude. I can't believe it still, dude. Willie freaking Mays, man. Dude! Oh my God! Dude! No way! Dude! Ted Williams! Dude! Red Sox! No way! Dude! Well, this is my boys right now. Ted Williams! Right after Willie Mays! On DeedsBros, baby! Frank, that's yours! No way! Dude! Dude, no way! Ted Williams! Dude, baseballs are on fire right now! No way! Dude! Do you want to get some hits like these? Then join us on TikTok at DeedsBros Jeremy. We are live every week, Saturday through Tuesday. Hope to see you there.